Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce one of the best products of Inno Foods, which is this one called Garden Crisp Crackers. Hi Noel, how are you today?
I'm good.
Do you know Inno Foods, by the way?
Yeah, coconut clusters.
Yes, you are talking about one of the legendary products of Inno Foods, right? This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Apart from this one, we also have other products like granola, cereal, chocolate products, and crackers. And this, I can proudly say that is one of the best cracker we ever made. Can you guess how much portion of vegetables are in this one pouch?
I don't know, maybe this much I guess.
You get so much surprised. Ta-da!
Cool!
If you eat this single pouch, you're actually putting this much vegetables in your stomach. I want to show you how we actually make this product in our facility. Do you want to check it out?
You mean a real factory?
Yes, it's going to be a lot of fun to you.
Awesome, let's go!
Noel, welcome to Inno Foods. This is one of our buildings.
Wow, it's so big!
Yes, it is. Let's go check out.
Okay.
Hey Noel, this is food processing facility, so we have to take extra care regarding what is going into this facility. Anything going into this facility needs to be super clean, and that includes yourself. So we gotta be properly dressed up and then clean our hands thoroughly. Let's do that.
Okay.
Make sure not a single hair is falling apart. And next step, wash your hands thoroughly. Okay, we're ready to go in. Are you ready, Noel?
Yeah?
Okay, let's go. Hey Noel, this is where all the production starts from. You can see, what is this? This is a kale,
Yeah.
and
Carrots,
and bell
bell
pepper,
pepper,
and spinach. A lot of vegetable you can see, right? And we also put potato flour and other veggie flour and oil and other spices. Yeah, and mix it, dump it. And do you want to check it out what is happening down there?
Of course, why not? It'll be super fun!
Okay, great. Hope you enjoyed this video. Inno Foods is food innovators. We make healthy, delicious products that are exceptional in the market. Please find our products from your local retail stores, Costco warehouses, and also from our website, innofoods.shop. Thank you.